Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Free education is now a legal right in Zambia after Parliament passed the Education Amendment Bill 2026. President Hakainde Hichilema confirmed this week. Free education is now law in Zambia, Hichilema posted on X, calling it a defining milestone of his first term ahead of the August 2026 general elections. Free education was introduced as a government policy in 2022 when UPND took office. The new bill turns that policy into law, meaning future governments cannot scrap it without passing new legislation. The law covers early childhood, primary and secondary education in public schools. Tuition, exam fees and PTA fees are abolished. The Higher Education Authority backed the bill, telling Parliament in April 2026 that free education is Zambia's most critical investment in sustainable economic development. In so doing, Zambia has allocated 33 billion kwacha to education in the 2026 national budget, representing 13% of total spending. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.